Hi and welcome to Element Z3, Cells and Organization, Animal and Plant Cells. What would the world be like without any cells? Today we're going to learn to correctly identify parts of a cell, to recall the roles, functions of each part of a cell, to compare and contrast animal and plant cells. Key points. Cells are the building blocks of life. They were named by Robert Hooke as he thought they looked like the tiny rooms that monks lived in. Some organisms can live alone as just one cell. Some organisms, like humans, daffodils, and dogs, are made up of many different types of cells. This is an amoeba, an example of a single-celled organism, also called unicellular organism. Inside animal cells. Most animal cells have some key features inside of them. A place where the cell's activities are controlled. A place where chemical reactions happen. A place where substances can pass in and out of the cell. A place where energy is released for the cell. Inside. Look at the image. Can you guess in pairs where each of these are? A place where the cell's activities are controlled. A place where chemical reactions happen. A place where substances can pass in and out of the cell. A place where energy is released for the cell. I hope you got it right. That's our B, that's our C, and finally our D, indeed. Animal cell activity. On a new page in your book, use a pencil to neatly draw a large animal cell, like you have just seen. See if you can remember the description of each part. Challenge. These are the scientific names of each part. Can you guess which description they match up with? Nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria. Subcellular structure definitions. Nucleus controls the activities of the cell, contains genetic material DNA, which is packaged into structures called chromosomes. Cell membrane controls the movement of substances into and out of the cell. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance that fills the cell, where most chemical reactions happen. Mitochondria contains the enzymes needed for aerobic respiration, which releases energy for the cell. Do take notes, but don't forget your spellings. Inside plant cells. Most plant cells have same 4 features inside of them as animal cells. They also have 3 extra features. A place where light is captured for photosynthesis. A place where cell sap is stored. A place to help support and strengthen the cell. A place where light is captured for photosynthesis. A place where cell sap is stored, as you see the labeling. A place to help support and strengthen the cell. On the next page in your book, use a pencil to neatly draw a large plant cell like you have just seen. See if you can remember the description of each part. Challenge. These are scientific names of each part. Can you guess which description they match up with? Chloroplast, cell wall, permanent vacuole. Structure definitions. Chloroplasts contain the pigment chlorophyll, which absorbs light to provide energy for photosynthesis. Cell wall, a rigid structure that helps to strengthen the cell and provides support for the plant. Permanent vacuole, filled with cell sap to keep the cell rigid to support the plant. What am I? I am where chemical reactions happen in the cell. I give strength and support to the cell. I am where light is captured for photosynthesis. I am where cell sap is stored in the cell. I am where energy is released for the cell. I am where substances can pass in and out of the cell. Challenge 1. Which part of a cell is missing from the 6 descriptions above? Challenge 2. Place a star next to your answers that are only found in plant cells. Here are the answers. I hope you got it right. Marvelous. Let's go ahead. Lift off, mini plenary. 3 keywords, 2 facts and 1 question. Let's see what you have got. So, what did we achieve today? I can correctly identify parts of a cell. I can recall the roles, functions of each part of a cell. I can compare and contrast animal and plant cells. Thank you for staying tuned. Do like, share and subscribe. I will leave you with the worksheets that you can solve as per the level that you wish to challenge. Thank you. Take care.